This is beautiful.
Oh, look, a fishy.
Oh, there's a fish. Where?
They right there.
Where?
They're all right there too.
Oh, I see them now.
What you doing? Stop recording me. Stop recording me. What you doing?
No, something just jumped in the water. What is that? Peace. Green soul. gkChlorophyll. Peace. Fine, King.
This is Chinese bush clover.
Okay. And what is it good for?
Good for inflammation diseases, which is pretty much everything. Lack of male stamina in a tea. Nervous breakdown.
Oh, wow.
It's good for your stomach. So I got some roots.
Yeah, let's see if we can plant it.
And I got some other.
And what else did you find over there, babe?
Oh man, black oak.
Black oak?
Which was one of the main.
What's black oak? Can you show it to us?
Man, it's all the way around.
Oh, it's around the corner. Well, you show it to me later, but I think this one is awesome. This is an awesome find.
Yeah.
This is the prairie fleabane. And what is it good for, King?
It's a diuretic, antioxidant.
Antioxidant.
The root is anti-inflammatory.
Anti-inflammatory is the root.
Reduces mucus.
Reduces mucus. And this is on our trail. Woohoo! There it is. But it jumped in. He keeps coming out, then he goes back in. Come on out! Come on out! He keeps jumping back in every time I come. It's starting to rain. Beautiful. Oh, the rain feels so good. Feels so good. Whew. Well, stay tuned, you guys. This Wednesday at 3 o'clock on Instagram Live, gkChlorophyll, we're going to talk about healing alcoholism. So stay tuned. We're out in nature. My favorite office.